Hey guys, Mikhail here for another device deal video. Today we're looking at another LG monitor, this time the 27QN600 monitor. It's a 27-inch 1440p monitor with an IPS panel, and it's really a good kind of budget-friendly option that can cover both elements of gaming and office or personal use. So something like this, gives you a lot of, flexibility with what you want to use it for. And gives you a little bit of everything, but not going too far ahead, and just keeping it in that really good price bracket that isn't going to scare too many people off. It's just kind of a good for all kind of senses. You've got features that help with the gaming side of things, but also help with your eye health with the reader mode and stuff like that, which I'll go in a little bit more depth of later in the video. So for now, we're going to show you a bit of the unboxing and go through a bit of the features in just a moment. Okay guys, now we're going to show you what's inside the box. So you start off with your top layer of styrofoam. Inside here you'll have the bottom stand, which has got a cool curve onto it. The arm itself. And all your relevant cabling. So in here you'll have things like your what is this? You get a HDMI cable, DisplayPort cable, and your power adapter. Or your power adapter necessities. Then right down the bottom, with on top of another layer of styrofoam, you'll just have the monitor itself, all nice and well protected. Now we're going to show you how to attach the arm to the monitor itself. Okay, so we're going to have a little bit of a chat about the specs and features of the monitor now. So, as said at the start of the video, this is a QHD monitor, which is a 1440p. So, you'll find that's a lot better than the standard 1080p as far as resolution goes, but not quite as high as like the 2K or 4K resolution. We've also got 75Hz refresh rate, which is a nice kind of small incremental increase on the average or standard refresh rate that monitor has, which is usually 65Hz. So this will help with things like, stuttering and tearing and just making sure things run all smoothly. But the fact that you've still got that high resolution means you're still going to have a really kind of high quality, rich colored picture. Now, if you're going towards the gaming side of things, so that 75Hz refresh rate certainly helps with the gaming to an extent. But if you're someone that's kind of, looking at gaming in more of a professional sense, you're taking it to the real elite top level, maybe the Ultra Gear is a better option for you, just because in that state, when you get into that kind of super competitive gaming scheme, usually guys are looking for things in the 144 Hz or 165 or anything above that, definitely over 100 Hz refresh rate. But in that case, you're going to spend a lot more money. So that's why I really kind of like this one as a bit of a combination of something that's got something for everyone. You get a really good picture, a bit of an improvement on some things that impact gaming, but you're not going to have to spend an arm and a leg for it. So just like all LG monitors, this does feature the AMD FreeSync option, which really helps, eliminate screen tearing and stuttering, and it kind of enables really nice fluid movement as well. When you're looking at the response time, you've got like a 5 millisecond response time, but you'll see that it actually comes in different settings. They've kind of got like a standard faster setting rate, and it'll already come pre-programmed to the fast rating. We recommend that you probably leave it on there, because while it can be moved to a faster response time, if you're going too fast, also depending on like your graphics card and whatnot, you'll probably start to maybe see a bit of ghosting. So as far as optimizing the performance, based on our testing, we reckon to just keep it on that fast rating. That's going to be the way to go. So as mentioned at the start of the video, this is using an IPS panel type. So things like that really improve the viewing angles of this. So whether you're at home or playing with a friend, you can have people sitting at all different angles and still getting that like rich and immersive color scheme as well. On top, when we're talking about the colors as well, the monitor also supports HDR10 and sRGB. So, it really enables that realistic visual immersion with rich colors and contrast. So this kind of allows you to really see the way that, either game developers wanted you to see a game, or just even if you're doing your own work or watching a movie or any kind of YouTube videos, just kind of make sure that you're seeing it the way it's supposed to, getting that real color accuracy, which is really important. Now, one of the only negatives I found with this monitor, and it's not really the fault of the monitor itself, is just the IPS glow that you get kind of near the corners. Like I said, it's not really anything to do with LG or anything like that. It's really just anytime you use an IPS panel type, this is something to expect. Although you've got that, it does have really good color accuracy, which LG actually kind of calibrates before they give it to you. So this means that you can actually do a lot of basic color critical work, or a lot of photo editing and video editing as well. So you've got a good little bit of variety when setting up the monitor as well. You've got 2 HDMI ports and a display port, as well as an audio out, so if you want to use your own headsets, and then of course the actual power adapter itself. Now, on top of that, you've also got a near bezel-less display, so you can already see on the screen now, it comes up basically all the way to the edge, so it really maximizes the screen size of the 27 inches of the physical size of this monitor. And even just using it to change the settings or whatnot, it's got a really easy just panel underneath, which allows you to just click on there and then change the settings or input, or change your modes, or change the response time. It's very, very user-friendly for anyone to use. So to conclude, the LG QN600 monitor is a perfect budget-friendly option which can be useful for all needs, particularly in either kind of entry-level or casual gaming, as well as home office use or just workplace use in general. You've got an IPS panel type which allows for really kind of rich colors and viewing from any angle you like, but then you've also got a nice resolution at the QHD, so 1440p, which is a nice little jump up from the standard 1080p. You've got a bit of an improvement on the refresh rate compared to a typical monitor at 75 Hz, good response time at 5 milliseconds, and then your HDR10 and sRGB, everything included. On top of this, you've also got stuff that helps your eyes, so in the office sense, you've got your reader mode or flicker safe, which just helps, reduce the stuttering and tearing, and just, especially if you're someone in the office that uses this for a long period of time, it gives a little bit less strain on your eyes altogether. Alright guys, so that's it. We really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you've got any questions about the monitor at all, feel free to leave us a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe, and if you want to see more deals like this one here, as well as a whole lot of other options, we don't just do sales, we actually do a lot of buying guides and kind of sales assistant stuff as well. So if you want to take a look at us there, feel free to visit us at www.devicedeal.com.au.